Stop! Help! Leave me alone! I didn't do nothing wrong! Help!
Hey, stop!
Citizens arrest! These are not police officers in uniform!
You sure about that? Be first.
Help! I didn't do nothing wrong!
How she found out they were real cops by the channel Code Blue Cam. This is Eric Cardenas, and this is another episode of Attorney Reacts.
An officer was dispatched to a bar and grill regarding a female refusing to leave in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Staff advised the female, soon recognized as a 56-year-old named Rhonda, was acting erratic and harassing other customers. The officers knew her well and were aware of her history of combative behavior with law enforcement. Upon arrival, she appeared to make unusual statements and emitted an odor of intoxicants.
Hi, ma'am. Officer Kim with the Eau Claire Police Department.
Oh, I'm
Rhonda,
Rhonda,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
These people stole from my family, man.
Copy name and house.
I might not a cab, so what?
Okay.
Don't f***ing act like you're trying to help me, sir.
Nope. Okay.
I come from family of war. Thank you for looking out for me, but you should go investigate these people in here.
Okay. So what's going on today?
Well, I know Mr. Food. They
Okay.
gave me f***ing chocolate milk. Big deal.
Okay. So you're just waiting for a cab, then you're
Yes.
going to be leaving. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, but you should go investigate these people in here. That's okay.
Okay.
I know you're doing your part.
Gotcha. Yeah. Hey, Rhonda. What's going on? Why are you all upset today?
I'm not.
You're not?
I'm not at all.
You're not?
It's these people that are following me that took my whole family inheritance money.
Okay.
That stole from my family and went from here to Europe.
So you're upset about that?
No, they're rude.
The people here, you're saying?
She was not until they followed me. Identity theft, fraud. Come on, officer.
Okay.
It's over.
You want to just hang out with her?
She said she's got a cab, so she's standing out here, so.
I just wanted to talk to the staff and kind of see what else was going on. You're writing a story of your life?
I can't tell you that.
Okay. So what's going on here?
See the bus driver right there?
Yeah.
I grew up here. People call randomly on me all the time, and it's over. It's being investigated right now, okay?
And she had one drink, went outside, came back in, ordered another drink, and she just started acting really, really crazy and started yelling at people and getting in their faces. I asked her to leave, and she wouldn't leave.
Can't talk about it.
Okay. Fair enough.
There's people from here to China investigating, so. For what happened within my family due to the family inheritance money, their whole life earnings, my whole life earnings, I worked my life off, my ass off. I came down here to have a drink, and she gave me nothing, and they just call people. They call people to follow me wherever I go. Investigate that. Randomly, they call the cops, and nobody calls and checks in on a scanner, on a police scanner, and I'm doing good. I'm writing a story. Sometimes you have to do the part, and that's... I asked her to call me nicely, a cab, and everybody started getting involved. And I didn't appreciate that, okay?
Okay. That's fair enough.
And then she went outside for a while, came back in, asked for another one, and then she just really quickly started getting really aggressive and loud, talking a lot of nonsense.
Well, they gave me chocolate milk, so you should probably be investigating these guys in here, but nobody does. If you're a real police officer, you would be investigating them. No, I don't have a criminal record.
She asked me to call her a cab. I tried to find a cab. She was screaming at me.
Gotcha. She was saying she had a cab, so...
She didn't call a cab.
And I know police officers here my whole life, okay?
Okay.
I'm tired of it. I was a single mother. I grew up here. I did everything right, and I'm tired. And I'm writing a story, okay? Sometimes you have to do the part. But I did not have no part of how they're reacting from the people that you guys are not protecting me from.
Okay. Are you guys wanting her banned from the property or trespassed from the property? Okay, gotcha. Just banned from the property. Okay.
If you're not protecting me, then you're not a real police officer, and I need protection because I do know real police officers because I took care of one with MS, and one was married to my husband's sister.
She did threaten my wife. She said, I will kick your ass.
She did?
Yeah. She's wasted.
Okay.
Well, third time at the Bolton house, where a police officer, a real police officer, lost his life. Okay? I did the work.
She threatened all of us, actually.
Hey, you're on camera. You're on my movie, too.
Yeah, there's cameras rolling nowadays,
yeah. But guess what?
She's been really unruly.
All right, sounds good. Did you guys kind of feel frightened and worried about the
area?
I feel like she potentially has some mental health issues underlying that we don't know about, but really, who knows? I mean,
listen to these people.
She may just be intoxicated or under the influence of something.
It's not right. You know what? You can't just randomly call a police officer. I know this.
So they have enough for disorderly
Rhonda
conduct.
had several open cases with conditions to maintain absolute sobriety.
Investigating my murder.
Oh, okay. All right. They thought they had enough for potentially a disorderly conduct charge. And this takes place in Wisconsin. So in Wisconsin, causing a disturbance or engaging in violent, abusive, indecent, or unreasonable loud conduct can be deemed disorderly conduct. And the elements are you need to be engaging in that type of conduct. And then such conduct tends to cause or provoke a disturbance, which is why they think they have enough here. They think like she was engaging in kind of abusive, indecent, potentially violent conduct. And it caused a disturbance, her disorder there at the bar. And then I guess once they found out more information and they just looked her up, she was not following her probation, which for her open cases, which requires her to be sober. And so if you violate those conditions, it can be considered bail jumping and you can be charged with that. And so since Rhonda has these open cases for required sobriety, this means that she's violating her bail, violating her probation charges. So they have a couple charges now potentially to levy at her. So we'll see where this goes.
My family.
Okay. So
Don Adams.
So how much have you had to drink today?
Nothing.
Really?
They gave me chocolate milk. That's what I was pissed off about.
Just chocolate milk, huh?
I'm right.
Okay. Would you submit to a PBT?
I'm not a criminal. No, I will not. I didn't do nothing wrong.
They were saying that she had not called
I don't have no warrants. I'm not a criminal.
Had nothing alcoholic here, then we can't go with that. So I say,
Alright.
how long is your cab till she gets here?
Can I just confirm?
I don't know, maybe you should
She
check
said she
with
had
that
2
lady.
drinks inside. Just confirm if they were
I had
alcoholic
to
drinks.
see the thing is I asked the lady to call me a cab, and everybody got involved. That's what was bullshit.
Did you serve her alcoholic drinks?
I searched her 2 drinks. When she first got here, she had 1, and then she went outside for a while.
And they were alcoholic?
Yes.
They were? Okay.
Yep, but she didn't finish her second one.
She didn't finish
So
it?
she had about a drink and a half.
Okay.
So if you have conditions not to be consuming alcohol, how come you're at a bar?
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I ain't no criminal. I don't have no conditions. What are you talking about?
Oh, she did say that they were alcoholics.
They were?
Yeah. She had like 1.5.
What's her name?
Based off, there's multiple people in there saying that she got in her face. It was like threatening to kick her
Christ,
ass.
you guys, I grew up here. I'm in a movie, man. You're on the movie now. You might have to block that out. Cut.
Based off of her statement and like 5 other people in there. Do you have a cab driver?
I do.
Okay.
I didn't appreciate what they do.
Okay.
I don't appreciate the cops come over here and they don't do anything about it. Where's my protection? When I took care of police officers and they lost their lives.
So, do you think
you know what? There's been police officers that lost their lives.
She said they don't want you here anymore. They want you
Don't
banned.
want me here anymore. You can't run me out of my own town. Everybody's been running me out of my own town. You know how many different officers? It's an investigation right now.
Well, she doesn't. They don't. Staff
Guess
here
what?
doesn't
They
want
can't
you
do
anymore.
it. They're not
Okay.
going to do that, and they won't do that.
Okay. So I'm telling you this.
You know that they-
You aren't
no, you're
welcome.
not.
You aren't welcomed here anymore. Okay.
Guess what? Nope. That's not going to happen in your eyes, maybe, but that's okay. You can say what you say. I know real police officers.
Rhonda, so this is a privately owned business. They can refuse certain
Privately?
things.
Oh my God, you guys are crazy.
This isn't a public deal here. It's a private
No, I was
business.
reminiscing. I came back here in my movie. There's a movie going on. You didn't know you're part of it now?
How long till your cab gets
I
here?
don't come here very often. And there's people that just dip in and they dip out. And they're embezzlers and they're imposters. And that brings criminals in. If you were a real police officer, you'd be concerned for our children, for the next generation to come, okay? We're all children of God, the young, the old, and those in between. Some good, some bad, some happy, some sad. This is my story. Okay?
She said she tried calling a cab and they couldn't get a hold of one, so it was going to be on you.
Oh, bullshit. I've known these guys for years. I grew up here. You killed off half my family and you guys are coming at me like that?
So if you didn't call a cab, would you like me to call one for you? If you
No,
did not,
I asked her nicely to call me a cab. People interrupted me. That's exactly what I said. Why aren't you in there? They're sitting in there laughing. You can hear them laughing. And you're not doing a damn thing about it. That's not protecting and serving me.
so if we leave, she's just going to
I grew up here.
As the officers attempted to take her into custody, Rhonda began yelling obnoxiously and actively resisted their efforts.
Alright, let's just go. Alright, Rhonda, can you stand up for us?
What?
Can you just stand up?
I didn't do anything wrong. I wait for my cab.
All right, stand up. Rhonda, stand up. You're being placed under arrest, okay?
I'm not being placed under arrest. I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm waiting for my cab.
Rhonda, stand up.
No, I'm not. There's people right here. I didn't do anything.
Rhonda, I don't want to have to pick you up.
No, you're not bringing me nowhere. I didn't do nothing wrong. I called a cab. I asked her to call me a cab.
It is
They dropped me
unfortunate.
off.
She did not call you.
I think y'all are gonna have a lot of thoughts about this.
And she gave me like chocolate milk. It was
Nope.
You've had alcohol
then
here,
I'm
okay?
waiting so I'm not a criminal.
You can't have alcohol.
I'm not a criminal.
Okay.
Rhonda,
We're done doing this.
No,
I think this is
get away
someone
from
who's
me.
sick.
Otherwise,
Rhonda,
You
don't make this
know.
harder than it has to be.
Stop.
Alcoholism or whatever. It is a sickness, you know.
Stand up.
So
No! Stop! Help! Help! Stop it! Leave me alone! I didn't do nothing wrong! Help! 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 Ow!
Stop resisting.
Ow! No, you're not.
Hey, stop.
Fuck off me! Get the fuck off me, man! Get the fuck off me! Help! Citizens arrest! Citizens arrest! Citizen arrest! I'm not a criminal! And I know the police officers and I grew up here! Somebody help me!
Sam 165.
No! You're not even talking to the dispatcher! Leave me alone, I didn't do nothing.
Are you gonna be
wrong.
nice?
I didn't do nothing wrong, let me go!
So again, here
no,
they technically
I'm not
had-
under arrest. I have...
Rhonda, we're gonna have you roll over to your side.
they had probable cause to arrest
You're
her
not a police officer!
once they found out that she was
You didn't even call
engaged in disorderly
dispatch.
conduct.
You guys are somebody in uniform that are not police officers! Get these fucking cuffs off me! Help! Help! Somebody! Help!
And then they
I know
found
the
out that
police
she was
officers
violating
down at the
her bail,
police
which
station.
required
I know Kramer.
abstinence
I know the judges. Let me go.
Which was
I
also
called
crime.
for a cab. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. They're arresting me
Whether an
illegally.
arrest was
They're
warranted
arresting
here-
me illegally.
Just relax, Rhonda, okay? All right.
I'm educated and I'm going to college.
Rhonda, relax. Can you stand
Look at my college. No, look at my college thing. I'm going to school.
Jesus, you always do this, right?
I didn't do anything wrong. They just came up to me and arrested me. These are not police officers in uniform. Citizens arrest. Let me go. I have no...
You have conditions
From the
of absence,
government.
right?
No.
You had multiple drinks.
I don't have no sobriety. I didn't do nothing wrong. Can I have my cigarette?
No, we're kind of past that point.
Listen, I have no criminal record. There's a real police officer. Hey, tell him to let me go.
Okay, Rhonda, are you going to stand up and go to the
No,
squad
I had
car?
a cab coming. We don't
Yeah.
even know who you are. You
No,
guys
no.
are people. Guess what? You're on TV. Do you know you're on camera everywhere?
Yeah. Yep, we're all filming right now, so you don't have to worry about that.
Excuse me, sir. I don't have no criminal record or nothing.
Don't you?
I called the cab and they're on their way.
In light of her uncooperative behavior, it was determined she should be placed in the wrap restraint system.
Rhonda, you got a couple choices here. You can either stand
What,
up
you're going
and
to try
go...
to smother me and kill my life?
No.
Chemically
You
induce
can
me
either
like you.
go in
No,
the squad
I've been
car
chemically induced.
Are you going to fight us?
cooperatively,
Get
or if
the
you're
away
going to
from
fight...
me. No, I have a cab coming. Get the away from me. I
And
wasn't
get in the squad car.
No,
Those are
you
your
have
two
to have
options.
a reason to arrest me.
Disorderly conduct and
I
bail
didn't
jumping.
do anything wrong. I told you I had a cab coming.
Do you want to at least put the leg
I have a
Yeah,
cab
so the two
coming.
charges we said earlier, disorderly conduct, bail jumping, both crimes that are arrestable.
Stop.
You can't do that. I'm not fighting you. Stop it. Do this to me before.
Just
They're watching
relax.
you.
Relax.
Get up, get up.
Relax.
Relax.
Get up, get up. Are you filming this? Are you filming this? They're
And they
filming
may
it
even
right
be
now.
able to
All
get
the
her
neighbors
with a
are all
resisting
filming it.
arrest charge as well.
I work in the medical field. You guys chemically induced me.
Want to go for the whole way on, or? Yep. Yeah.
Oh, you're hurting me. Get that off me.
You know, I'm
man.
not-
Oh my, this is
In
what
case anyone's wondering,
Are you guys
civil rights
filming
violations.
Yep, we're filming
And
it.
No, you're
a lot
not.
of
They
y'all
are.
Not supposed to kick police either.
may
I
think
didn't
this
kick no police.
is
What are
unnecessary,
you talking about? Get that off
but
me.
they
You
are being
guys, help,
pretty
help,
reasonable in the
help.
considering the circumstances. I don't really see
Please help me, citizens
any
arrest.
constitutional rights
These are not
violations
police
here.
officers. These are not police officers.
It's just
They're
kind of
not
one of
police
those
officers.
unfortunate
They're trying to do it.
circumstances on both sides. Like
Please, please. They're gonna arrest you as soon as you arrest me.
we don't know the full background on what's
I
happening with
wasn't
her.
fighting you guys and I did nothing wrong and you were. No, I had a cab coming.
What's that?
Citizens arrest.
You want-
I have a
my
cab
spot, are you
coming.
gonna-
Help! 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 My citizens arrest. You guys, I'm from Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Call my son.
Just relax, okay?
Get out! Get that off my head.
Which
Get
squad
that
are we
off
going
my
to,
head.
guys?
Now get out. I work in the medical field.
Relax.
Come on now, Rhonda.
Okay. Take some deep breaths, okay?
Citizens arrest. Are you guys filming this? Film
Everything's
it.
locked down. Everything. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Feet first.
Help! I didn't do nothing wrong. I work in the medical field. I work in the medical field. They're trying to. They're trying to murder murder me. They're trying to murder me. They're trying to take my life. They're trying to murder me. They tried to already murder me. They already tried to murder me. They already tried. Help! 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 You're not police officers. Look at you. Who the f are you, you piece of shit? You laughing. You think that's funny?
Got it. Leave that off here.
Get my shit.
Sorry, bonked today. Everybody all right? Everybody's all right. William 145 headquarters. We are 10-2. She's in the squad car. That's why I wanted to go 95 with her, because I was like, she doesn't have a cab. She's saying she didn't.
Yeah, she didn't call one.
And she's claiming she has a cab, but God knows she's lying, so.
Yeah.
And if we leave, she would just cause more issues. That's your first time dealing with her?
Yeah.
Hey, great job, guys.
Thank you.
Everything's fine, ain't it?
Why do you wear black? That's a good question.
I don't know how you deal with this.
It's not the first time, unfortunately.
That's what I get.
I wouldn't think so.
Hey, it's Barry with the city. I'm about 5 minutes out with a cooperative female on the wrap.
Help! 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 Help!
Real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now, back to the video.
I work with people in memory care. You f***ing fool. Who the f*** are you?
Once she arrived at the jail, she continued to be combative and disorderly, swearing at staff while she was placed in the holding cell.
Hello, Rhonda. Ready to rock and roll?
Why are you putting me in jail? I did nothing wrong. I have no criminal record. Get the f*** off me, you motherfucker. Get the f*** off me. I work in the medical field. No, you're not a police officer.
I'm a correctional officer, I know.
The f*** you are. Don't you grab me like that. I did nothing wrong.
Run it, ready,
Don't you grab my f***ing arm. You son of a bitch. Guess what? Watch.
Rhonda was charged with misdemeanor counts of disorderly conduct, resisting an officer, and bail jumping ×3.
Yeah.
All charges are repeaters. She was later released on a $5,000 signature bond.
Like I said, the officers didn't appear to do anything wrong. I think they handled it kind of in the best situation they could have. Obviously, we saw that it kind of got increased in severity of the situation when we saw that this is something that is a recurring theme, that she had bail jumped 3 times and that she was supposed to be maintaining sobriety. Obviously, probably because of how she acts when she's under the influence of alcohol, and we saw it there. The thing with disorderly conduct and public disturbances is that it can have significant legal consequences. I mean, we don't live in a bubble. We live in a society, and we have certain reputations and norms that we have to uphold, and recurrent disruptive behaviors in these public establishments like strains your relationship with the community and those around you. And she may be from Wisconsin and from there, but I mean, obviously, if you keep disturbing people and being violent and threatening, you're not going to have many allies who want to help you instead of going to the last resort, which should be the last resort for most people, which is calling the police. Thank y'all very much for watching another episode of Attorney Reacts with me. I think there's going to be a lot of thoughts on this in the comments, so let me know what you think. Anything that could have been done better by the officers or by her. Hope y'all enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Big verdict.